As Minister of Energy, when I hear the speeches of Alfredo, as you know, you hear a serious warning and advice in his guidance and message of our necessity to continue on the energy transition. And it's sometimes easier said than done because, as they say in het Nederlands, waar een wil is een weg. There's a lot of goodwill, good desires to implement renewable energy, but sometimes you have to deal with a little bit of bureaucracy, and that is a challenge that we have to solve. But we have to take it seriously because obviously global warming is real. Aruba está más calor que nunca. In het papiaments is Aruba is warmer than ooit. So global warming is real. So energy transition is a high necessity. And and I'm going to repeat the words that Alfredo mentioned me this morning, somebody made the categorization of WEP as the heart of Aruba. WEP está el corazón de Aruba. Den vida económico de Aruba, pero den vida de toda familia na Aruba. And as part of that family of energy companies with WEP, Elmar, utilities, and our FEMSA, RDA, and other companies supplying each other, cooperating with each other, obviously there is a message of consciousness, because I think that's a great message of what Alfredo said. We need to be as community conscious of our consumption. Again, easier said than done, because when you're at home, in calor, in that warm, in that heat, you want your air condition on. So planning for that demand, it was necessary for WEP to make sure getting to the months where there's not enough wind, so it's going to become warmer. So we expect demand also to, whether we like it or not, to increase. We needed to make sure that the emergency investment be made in having extra capacity in order to supply the, let's say, the production, but also the distribution of our energy demand.
Dit is een powerplant, inderdaad. Het zijn allemaal containers. 1250 kVA per container. Er staan er 26 stuks van opgesteld. Daarmee kunnen wij minimaal 20 megawatt produceren. Dus er is nog wat extra backup geïnstalleerd. Samen met 9 trafostations wordt het een totale powerplant. En dat wordt aangedreven door diesel. Dus er zijn ook veel dieseltanks. En samen met het WEP hebben we die installatie gemaakt om ook de plant van dieseltoevoer te voorzien. Wij zijn een bedrijf uit Nederland. Wij bestaan meer dan 85 jaar. En we zijn gespecialiseerd in dit soort projecten. Dus wij voorzien allerlei klanten over de wereld, maar zeker ook in Noordwest-Europa, van tijdelijke mobiele energie.
Tremendo alivio. Está ayudando hobby mes de demanda grande que nos conocer en nuestra comunidad para energía. Es que nos planeé de un ruta rápido para quedar claro con el tiempo, por motivo que no te conocí na nossa isla, apesar que do cambio climatológico, tempo calor parece que está mais trempang cada vez. Sin embargo, colega nan faz tremendo trabalho de trabalho durante de luna nan de junho, julho e agosto também, para quedar claro na tempo, de forma que nós tenha capacidade disponível para nos por cumprir com a demanda de nossa comunidade. Uma vez que o evento cai, então que nós temos crescimento enorme também na Aruba, tanto a consequência de economia crescente, mas também temperatura mais alta. Pois alívio enorme também para nosso personal, para o nosso personal também dor de crescimento enorme. Se conduzir que nós terá esse mantenimento rápido e esse naturalmente tem pressão para nosso personal. Nós temos uma obrigação, naturalmente, em primeiro lugar, para cumprir com demanda de energia para nossa comunidade, mas também para o bem-estar do nosso próprio personal.